Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore unreimbursed employee expenses rules in 2024, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore unreimbursed employee expenses in 2024, begin by understanding the changes implemented by the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. Research the specific regulations that allowed for these deductions prior to 2018. Identify the types of unreimbursed employee expenses that were typically deductible. Gather documentation of relevant expenses incurred during your employment. Review your employer's policies regarding reimbursement of these expenses. Discuss the possibility of reimbursement directly with your employer's HR department. If your employer does not provide reimbursement, explore alternative tax deductions that may apply. Stay informed about any updates or revisions to tax laws regarding unreimbursed expenses in 2024. Consult a tax professional for personalized advice and guidance related to your situation. Prepare your tax documents carefully, ensuring all expenses are well documented and categorized. Keep abreast of IRS publications that address employee expenses for accuracy. Consider using accounting software or apps that can assist with tracking and organizing your expenses. Plan ahead for filing your taxes to ensure you meet all deadlines. Assess whether filing as a sole proprietor or adjusting your employment status may provide additional options. Review prior year filings for potential adjustments or amendments related to unreimbursed expenses. Be prepared for potential audits by maintaining thorough records of all claimed deductions. Stay proactive in advocating for clearer reimbursement policies within your workplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.